We've got the Youngu Flying Orb Ball for kids and adults, because adults can do this as well. So let's give you a quick unboxing experience. So you got this right here. You've also got the main piece, the orb ball right there. You got the USB charging cable. It takes about 25 minutes to fully charge, and it lasts for 10 to 15 minutes of playing time. And then you've also got the instruction manual, as well as these stickers you can use. All these different stickers that it comes with. So that's amazing. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna turn the light off in just a second, but basically to turn it on, you just press this button right here, and that turns it on there. Then I'm gonna clip this on. You don't need to clip this on if you don't want to, but I'm gonna clip it on. And then basically you're just gonna shake it. And it turns it on. I'm gonna turn the light off. So it looks pretty cool. I mean, as it moves, it sort of just, it changes the lighting. And you can sort of just like, it's sort of floating in my hand almost. Like if I let it go, it'll almost like, it'll sort of fly away. But, so you can just mess around with it. So I throw it out, it comes back. It's pretty sweet. There's just different ways of doing it. As you get better, you can throw it further. So straight up, I mean, it's sweet. Oops. As you can see, and then you shake it, turns it off. And then you can turn it off with that button as well. So as you can see, straight up is just fun to do. Kid, adult, whatever. Highly recommend.